Hey guys, so I'm showing you how to make some fluffy glitter slime. And what you're gonna do is get some glitter glue, any color, and put it in the bowl. Next, I already put the glitter glue in my bowl. I forgot that I was going to record a video, and I was going to record this, but so then you're going to want to put some shaving cream in, and only shaving cream, because then crunchy shaving put it in, cut the table.
So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older.
Every color, depending on how much sun you have, you can put drops, not slime, or medium. I'm going to put in 2 drops. You're going to put in a little amount, and then you're going to want to put in 1 drop. So, putting in blue and green, because I don't know like what makes teal. Yeah, I really don't know the colors. I'm not 5 yet. 8 years old. I'm about to turn 9 in August. I'm putting in 1 drop of each color.
Closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
This tie is simply here and it's perfect for my slime, though it looks yellow. Little by little, as you're mixing, you're going to add in some of your water. Oh, and putting napkin under your bowl or mixing, because you better just start mixing. Oh yeah, I think this is going to be teal. There's the mix. It's like it's like something. This now you're gonna probably want to eat it, and it looks weird. Like this is what it looks like. Ugh. Everything's in the way. This is what it looks like. It looks weird. Oh my gosh, it's gonna fall. Now you're gonna want to knead it. So that means like play with it, switch it with hands. That's a little bit too much laundry detergent, or too much shaving cream, both of it, because it's like coming apart really easy. I always do that when I make slime. You guys can yell at me for that. It's not how you make slime. Oh, my hands are a mess, and they're probably going to turn blue and green. Though it was glitter glue, though it was glitter glue, I think other glue glue may work. Wait, that's not what I was gonna say. And now it's like fluffy. Looks like there's rubber bands in it, but there's not. So this slime turned out pretty good. This is what it looks like. I'll give you a high review. And even mix these color somehow. I don't know how to. This is like, it doesn't feel fluffy. It looks fluffy. It's like metallic. It's gonna turn really ugly like those other slimes that I made with shaving cream. Yeah, I had a purple one. It was so sticky. And I might do a video where I'm gonna mix all of my slime together. Even the sticky stuff that I don't even play with. And yeah. So I need to go get my hands washed. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I've gotten done washing my hands and cleaning my surface up, and this is a high review of my slime. And I have it tested to see if it's clicky. It's not exactly clicky. This is like an aqua teal type color. And when I had you guys on pause on my camera, it looked like the slime was shaped as poo. That's so weird. You could also make this slime with just laundry detergent, glitter glue, and food coloring. The food coloring was optional. You didn't need the food coloring, really. But I just wanted to show you how to make some fluffy slime out of. Oh, and you also don't need the shaving cream if you don't want fluffy slime. I just wanted to show you how to make some slime because I've never made a slime video on my channel before. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. It's probably going to be another slime video. But I hope this tutorial helped you. If you wanted to make slime, but you never like had the ingredients in your house. But these are everyday items. And I was trying to make some slime earlier, but because it was like fluffy slime, shampoo and salt and shaving cream were the ingredients, and food coloring. And I thought that stuff was borax, because doesn't borax look like salt? Well, because I did the same exact thing as the dude did, and it didn't work. It was liquid. And sorry. Anyways, hope this tutorial helped you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, unicorns, peeps, whatever, unicorns, okay.